Next, let's talk about external data collection. Now that we've laid out the fact that you can create these different groups of resources and how you consume them, that's mainly just for provisioning, right? But what happens when you need to query those external resources or gain insight back into the provisioning process or how something's running? Well, that's what the external data collection for the IaaS components provides. It allows you to collect data from infrastructure endpoints that are mapped into the IaaS components. Just a few things that it's useful for here: inventory reporting, capacity planning. So if you want to look at when am I going to run out of a resource based on how many are there. So I take that inventory and I say, okay, I've got 200 VMs and over the last month I've created 50 more. So I'm going to run out of storage or compute in 50 days. You can also get workload status and reporting. You get performance monitoring through vCops integrations or other performance tools. So that's really powerful too, because it allows users or business owners to actually check the status of their running workloads. You get network inventory again because we're provisioning things like networking also from this platform. Another cool thing about vCloud Automation Center is it really manages the whole lifecycle of a workload. So when you deploy a blueprint item, you can actually set expiration dates. So maybe after a month, my development environment automatically goes away, gets cleaned up, and the resources are given back to the development group. You can check for expired applications, unused applications, or the status of when something's going to be cleaned up right from the web interface. You can get licensing usage reports. So you can look at how many OS licenses are in use through something like an ITBM tool. And you can also get infrastructure utilization reports, so you can look at across all your resources: physical, virtual, cloud based. We can use the IaaS connectors to pull back that utilization information.